Hello kids, once again I am here to teach you English. Today I am going to teach you alphabet E, sound of E. In previous classes we have studied letter D, right? Now today I am going to teach you letter E. So this is capital E, this is small e. Capital E, small e. The phonic sound of letter E is A. The phonic sound of letter E is A. A. So students, now guess what? मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ अब? Any guesses? Yes, मैं हमेशा की तरह आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाने वाली हूँ. So listen carefully. Once upon a time, in the jungle, there were two friends. Emma, the little elephant. Emma, the little elephant. And little elf. Both of them loved to eat eggs. One day, while they were playing, they saw 11 diamonds. They picked it up and packed it in the envelope. Yes, so my dear students, this is the story of letter E. There are so many words that starts from letter E, like elf, elephant, eggs, envelope, yes. Guess what? 11. Yes, so my dear students, you have to learn all these words and make a video of yours and send it to me. Thank you.